Hello, Smarties, and welcome back to Smart Real Estate with Westcliff, the podcast where we help you learn, invest, and manage your real estate investment with confidence. I'm your host, Addy Saeed, and with me, as always, my co-host, Jaffer.
Thanks, Addy. We're nearing the end of Series 4, Personalized Investment Opportunities, and today's topic is one that gets every investor excited: opportunistic investments. We'll talk about how to spot unique market opportunities, evaluate their potential, and capitalize on them for exceptional returns.
That's right, guys. Opportunistic investments require a sharp eye, agility, and a strategic approach. These are deals that might involve more risk, but come with the potential for an oversized reward. Let's break down how Westcliff helps investors identify and succeed with these opportunities. Let's start with what we mean by opportunistic investment. These are often properties or projects that are undervalued, mismanaged, or in markets experiencing sudden shifts. Examples include distressed assets, properties that need redevelopment, or markets poised for rapid growth due to new infrastructure or economic activity.
Exactly. The key to opportunistic investing is timing. You need to identify the right opportunity before the market fully recognizes its value. This often involves looking beyond the surface and understanding the property's potential.
One example is distressed assets, such as foreclosed properties or power of sale properties or buildings with high vacancy rates. These might look like bad investments initially, but with the right strategy, like improving management and making value-add renovations, they can turn into highly profitable assets.
Another type of opportunistic investment is properties in emerging markets. These are areas where economic or population growth is just beginning to take off. Investing early in these markets gives you a first mover's advantage, resulting in significant appreciation as demand increases.
Opportunistic investments also require a solid risk management strategy. These deals often come with challenges like high renovation costs, uncertain timelines, and market volatility. It's essential to have contingency plans in place and the right expertise on your team.
Another critical aspect is having access to the right funding. Opportunistic deals often require quick action, so having a strong network of investors and financing options is crucial. Addy, can you share how these investments are typically structured?
Absolutely. For many opportunistic investments, a GP-LP structure is used to pool capital and act quickly. This approach allows investors to share the risk and reward while leveraging expertise to manage the project effectively.
Let's not forget about exit strategies. With opportunistic investments, knowing when and how to sell is just as important as knowing when to buy. Whether it's flipping, refinancing, or holding for cash flow, having a clear plan is critical.
Exactly. Opportunistic investments aren't for everyone, but for investors willing to take a bit of more risk, they can deliver exceptional returns. With the right strategy and partners, you can turn undervalued properties into profitable assets. Thanks for joining us for today's episode of Smart Real Estate with Westcliff. If you're interested in exploring opportunistic investments, please check out our website at www.westcliffam.com or give us a call at 647-799-2264. You can send us a text at that number as well.
And remember, Westcliff is here to support you through our learn, invest, and manage approach. Let's work together to turn your goals into reality. Subscribe to the pod, follow us for more insights, and reach out anytime.
While we are professionals, this podcast is for informational and entertainment purposes only. The advice shared may not apply to your unique situation. Always seek personalized advice from a qualified professional before making any investment decision.
Thanks for tuning in, Smarties. In our final episode of this series, we'll be discussing secured investments, a strategy for those seeking peace of mind while achieving steady returns. Until then, happy investing.
See you next time.